Spiritual Guru Bangaru Adigalar, popularly known as Amma, passed away on Thursday. As per reports, 82-year-old Adigalar suffered chest pain before his death at his residence in Melvaruvathur near Chennai. He is survived by his wife, two sons and two daughters. Tamil Nadu Governor R.N. Ravi said that he was deeply saddened at the passing away of Amma Bangaru Adigalar. Chief Minister M.K. Stalin announced state honours for the spiritual leader's funeral to pay tributes to his services. The Chief Minister said that Adigalar revolutionized spiritualism for a social cause and ensured prominence to women by allowing them to pray inside the sanctum sanctorum. Prime Minister Narendra Modi also took to social media platform X to pay tribute to the spiritual guru. AIADMK General Secretary Edappadi K. Palaniswamy said that though Adigalar had a humble beginning as a teacher, he rose in stature as a spiritual leader, bringing about transformation in diverse fields including education, healthcare and upliftment of the poor. Former Chief Minister O. Paneerselvam said that Adigalar effectively combined social welfare activities with spiritualism and none can fill the vacuum left by him. Expressing shock, BJP State Chief K. Annamalai said that the spiritual guru totally involved himself in spiritual and educational work and guided the poor and downtrodden. The Guru's residence teemed with his devotees as they paid their last respects, and the cremation is scheduled for Friday. Bangaru Adigalar founded and headed the Adi Parashakti Siddhar Peedam. Beginning his life as a teacher, his deep inclination towards spiritualism led him to devote his time more towards worship, soothsaying and spiritual service, and in the course of time evolved as a guru. Hailing from an OBC community, the spiritual leader was respected for his friendly attitude towards people. He grew in public esteem because he made worship simple and easy and because he gave importance to women. A striking feature of his spiritual service for over 4 decades was making way for women to enter the sanctum sanctorum of Shakti temples administered by him and his supporters. He is revered as Amma, which means mother, by his devotees who use red garments as a mark of Shakti worship. He has a large following in devotees in Tamil Nadu and Karnataka as well as in foreign countries. Condolences poured in with leaders of various political parties condoling the demise of Adigalar. Amma was conferred the Padma Shri Award in 2019 for his spiritual services to the nation.